Right, we're at the mine now. Parking's not great. As you can see, my car is in a very precarious spot. Best 4x4 by far. What do you reckon? Good bit of parking there, eh? Anyway, like I say, we're at the mine. We're just going to take a little walk down the track now. So let's go. Be careful of your footing, haven't you? Yes. Down there. You don't want to go down there. So love, have we any history of this Brickworks?
No.
You didn't look up any history?
No.
Ah.
What's in there?
It's a bit precarious in places. Foss Sea Fawcett Limited, Leeds. Part of the machinery still surviving, albeit a bit rusty. Pity you can't say the same for the building. A lot of it's collapsing. Got those joists, those steel joists, all rotted away. Some of it looks really precarious. That wall's got a big crack in it. That's ready to go. I don't think we'll walk any further in there. Land's fallen away there. Amazing place though. Go and have a look in the other buildings now. Obviously that's a big chimney. There must be an underground part, there must have been, where they fired the bricks, or was it just fired in this building here? I don't know. Dogs are liking it. can't fly my drone yet because there's a fella over there flying a drone. I'll have to wait for him to finish.
Looks like they had a...
It's looking precarious in places, isn't it, mate?
They had a fire.
Oh yeah, look. There's the ovens.
Oh.
Would you say they're the ovens?
Yeah. Looks like this was an oven.
But then, would it be? Because what would have been in there? I'm sure someone might help us out in the comments. No, the dogs are pulling. Claire's at the end of her tether. There you go, there was the Brickworks on Anglesey. Really enjoyable day today. First we did the light. house than the Brickworks. I think Claire's had enough now. I've had the phone flying the drone and Claire's been looking after the dogs and Mike. You done now, love?
Yeah.
She's done. Alright now, we're going home now. We're going home now. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-ra.